All right, so hello and welcome to this course. In this course, I will teach you how to create an events app like this one that you're seeing here. So basically how this app works is that the user will be able to click this add button to create an event. So the user will set the name, the address, then also the day for the event, and the user will be able to select the time also. And once the event is created, the user will see the event here in the events list. And if the user is the owner of the event, the user will be able to delete the event or to edit the event. So here we can see all the information of the event and we can edit the time, the day, we can edit everything. And and this is basically the functioning of the app. If the user clicks on one of the events, the user will be able to see the detail of the event, and this will allow the user to cancel the attendance to the event or attend to the event. So you can see that each time I cancel or I hit the I will attend button, this value over here updates. And also, I will use this course to show you and teach you many different ways that you can use Flutterflow to work in a more efficient way and to find powerful features of Flutterflow that will help you in your development journey. So I hope you're excited about this course, and I'll see you there.